Today I'm visiting a Home Depot in Kauai. I've never been here before, but I just came here to see what kind of indoor plants they have and actually what kind of shape they're in. The last video I did, the plants looked really sad. So I want to see if here in the middle of the Pacific Ocean, if it's any better. So let's go inside and take a look. The first thing you notice is all the plants that we find indoors here, they're outside. I've never seen these look so good before. And if you like these kind of videos about plants, going to different places, please subscribe. It really does help out my small channel. And also leave a comment. I really look forward to hearing from you. Something else I noticed, they have great prices on their plants, except for one, and you'll see it soon in the video. You can tell these plants are much happier than the last video I posted. Now this nursery is not perfect, but the plants themselves are doing much better. I was talking to one of the employees about these plants, and they actually own them here in Kauai, where in the mainland they release them. But the policy is still to throw these plants away if they don't look good. And from the last video, a lot of you are very unhappy on that process. It is sad because a lot of these plants can be saved. So my take, these plants here do look better than the last video I took. And it's really because of the climate. They're outside, they're getting the fresh air, they're getting the light that they need. And that makes a big difference. Here, there's actually a dispute with the vendor, and you'll notice why. Hope you enjoyed the video. So where are we going next? Hopefully somewhere near you. Follow along as the story grows. I'll see you soon.